Welcome to another video. This video I'm gonna show you how you can download Java on your laptop. So open your browser and search for Java, and you're gonna have to make sure you go to the official website right here, java.com. You click on it. And this is the official website for Java, so you can click on download Java. You can just go to download, and scroll down and download Java, and just wait for it to start downloading on your laptop. Right here, as you can see, it's just 83 megabytes. So you're gonna have to be patient and wait for it to download. Alright guys, it's installed on my laptop. So the next thing I'm gonna have to do is just click on it and start installing on my laptop. So install, and it's already being installed right now, so just be patient and wait for it. You're gonna have to be patient, and so you're gonna have to click on install. If you change your mind and you don't want to install anymore, you can just remove, or if you want to change your download folder, you can click on this. So I'm gonna click on install, and as you can see right here, it's already been installed on my laptop. So just wait for it. So guys, that's how you download Java on your laptop. It's easy. Open your browser, type in Java. You can search for Java, or you can just go to java.com and click on download and start installing. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and please click on the notification button. Thank you.